Do you dream of retiring early and living the life you've always wanted? Imagine waking up every day without the stress of work, knowing your financial future is already secured. How would you like to retire years before most people? Well, it's possible. In today's video, we'll be talking about the top 8 financial habits that help you retire earlier. Stick around to learn the proven strategies that can turn your retirement dreams into reality. Let's dive in. 1. Find new income streams. If you're serious about retiring earlier, increasing your income is essential. This doesn't just mean sticking with your current job or career. In fact, one of the best ways to build wealth faster is by finding new income streams. Look for opportunities to grow within your current job, explore higher-paying positions, or develop side hustles that bring in extra money. Whether it's freelancing, consulting, or creating an online business, multiple income sources can dramatically speed up your journey to early retirement. Not only does it provide you with a safety net in case one income stream dries up, but also opens up more opportunities for growth. Many successful early retirees leverage multiple sources of income, and by doing so, they can save more and invest smarter. Remember, the more you earn, the more you can invest, and that's how wealth is built. By diversifying your sources of income, you can move closer to your retirement goals much faster. 2. Set a high target savings rate. One of the most critical aspects of retiring early is the rate at which you save. You need to save a significant portion of your income to build up a large enough nest egg. While many financial advisors suggest saving around 15% of your income, those aiming for early retirement may need to save as much as 30 to 50% of their income. This may sound like a lot, but it's entirely possible when you make smart financial decisions and keep your lifestyle in check. A high savings rate allows you to accumulate enough wealth to support yourself for years without needing to work. Cutting back on non-essential spending and redirecting those funds into savings or investments can make a huge difference. You'd be surprised at how much you can save by simply eliminating unnecessary expenses like dining out, subscription services, and impulse buys. To truly accelerate your retirement fund, focus on increasing your savings rate over time. Start small, then gradually increase your saving percentage as your income grows. The more you save, the faster you'll reach your goal of early retirement. 3. Control your spending and budget. It's not just about earning and saving more. Controlling your spending is equally important. Without a clear budget and spending plan, it's easy to waste money on things that don't contribute to your long-term goals. The first step to retiring early is adopting a frugal lifestyle. This doesn't mean living like you're broke. It means being mindful of your spending and finding ways to live within your means while still enjoying life. Evaluate your spending habits regularly and identify areas where you can cut back. Do you really need a luxury car? Downsizing your home or apartment, opting for more affordable transportation, and reducing entertainment expenses can free up a significant amount of money. These savings can be directed straight into your retirement account. When you actively control your spending, you give yourself the freedom to invest more in your future. Budgeting may seem restrictive at first, but it's a powerful tool that can help you accelerate your path to financial independence. The key is to be strategic with every dollar. 4. Maximize your retirement account contributions. When it comes to preparing for early retirement, tax advantage accounts like 401k, IRAs, and Roth IRAs are a must. These accounts allow your money to grow either tax-free or tax-deferred, which significantly accelerates wealth accumulation. Contributing the maximum allowable amount to your retirement accounts should be a priority, as it will help you build wealth at an incredibly fast rate. Additionally, if your employer offers a matching contribution to your 401k, take full advantage of it. That's essentially free money that can compound and grow over time, adding more to your retirement savings. These types of accounts also reduce your taxable income, saving money on taxes each year while building wealth for your future. Maximizing retirement account contributions ensures that you're saving for the future in the most efficient way possible. By using the power of compound interest in tax advantage accounts, your money will work harder and faster for you. 5. Diversify your investments. While saving and contributing to retirement accounts is important, investing is what will accelerate your journey to early retirement. Simply putting your money in a savings account won't grow your wealth at the speed you need. Diversifying your investments into stocks, bonds, real estate, and commodities can reduce risk and boost your returns over time. A diversified portfolio provides balance, ensuring that if one asset class isn't performing well, the others may offset the loss. Don't just stick to one market either. You should look at both domestic and international investments. For example, consider investing in stocks from different countries or even global real estate. International investments can provide protection against local market downturns, ensuring that your wealth continues to grow, regardless of the economic climate. By diversifying, you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. Different assets perform well during different market cycles. And by having a variety of investments, you can hedge against potential losses while positioning yourself for greater returns. 6. Consolidate savings to utilize compound interest. Compound interest is a powerful force when it comes to growing wealth. The earlier you start saving and the more consistently you contribute, the greater the effect of compound interest. Consolidating your savings into accounts that offer higher yields, such as high-yield savings accounts, dividend-paying stocks, or retirement accounts, allows you to take full advantage of compound interest. Even small, consistent contributions to an account with compounding interest can add up over time. The key is to start as early as possible and allow your money to grow for years. The longer your money is invested, the more it compounds. By consolidating savings into compound interest-generating investments, you ensure that your wealth continues to grow, setting you up for a future of financial independence. Don't underestimate the power of compound interest. Even a small investment today can turn into a massive retirement fund years down the road. The earlier you start, the more you can benefit from the compounding effect. 7. Minimize investment costs. High investment fees can eat into your returns, so it's essential to minimize those costs as much as possible. Investing in low-fee options like index funds and exchange-traded funds, ETFs, is an excellent way to maximize your returns. Actively managed funds often come with higher fees, which can eat into your gains over time. By choosing investments with low expense ratios and management fees, you can keep more of your money working for you. Also, consider using brokerage accounts that offer low or no-cost trades. Trading fees can quickly add up, and if you're trying to retire early, you want to avoid unnecessary costs that chip away at your profits. Minimizing fees is a smart way to ensure more of your money goes into your investments instead of paying for commissions and management fees. The more you can save on investment costs, the more you'll have to grow your portfolio. Even small reductions in fees can make a huge difference over time, helping you reach your early retirement goal faster. 8. Rebalance your portfolio. Lastly, rebalancing your portfolio is a crucial strategy for maintaining your financial goals. Over time, the performance of various assets will cause your portfolio to drift from its original allocation. Rebalancing involves selling some of your better performing assets and buying more of the underperforming ones to bring your portfolio back in line with your goals and risk tolerance. This strategy helps you stay aligned with your investment objectives while managing your risk. By rebalancing your portfolio regularly, you ensure that you're not too heavily invested in any one asset class, which helps reduce the potential for losses if a particular market takes a downturn. Aim to rebalance at least once a year or more frequently if market conditions change significantly. By periodically adjusting your portfolio, you can maintain the right mix of assets to help you achieve your goal of early retirement. Rebalancing allows you to stay on track toward your financial freedom, no matter what the markets are doing. There you go. These are the top 8 financial habits that help you retire earlier. From finding new income streams to diversifying your investments, these habits can help set you up for a future where you don't need to work to live. By following these strategies, you'll be able to build wealth and achieve financial independence much faster than you think. What habit are you going to start implementing first? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on achieving financial freedom and securing your early retirement. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.